Here's our demand function, or demand equation. Let's put the cursor onto the page. Here we've got the quantity demanded per unit of time. Quantity demanded per unit of time depends on, that's what this symbol means, depends on. So it depends on the price per unit, the price of alternative goods, income, tastes, population, the distribution of income, the distribution of income, seasons, government influences in the marketplace, and a portmanteau term over here which could be something we've forgotten. For example, the weather might be important for some items in determining the demand. It's quite a lengthy equation, so what we do is we use the ceteris paribus assumption and simply focus in on what we're interested in. Well, in this particular class we're going to just pick two of these because they're small topics. We're going to start by taking seasons, and then we're going to take government, the influence of government in the marketplace. As I said, these are small topics and I'm going to run them together into the same class. In fact, the whole class is very short. So let's just start by looking at seasons. Well, our demand for products may vary over seasons. Take an example. Our demand for energy, for example, for heating, for light, and so on. Our demand for energy in winter is greater than in summer. We demand more energy in winter. So there is a seasonal component. We can envisage that the demand for perhaps ice cream might be more in the summer than in winter. The demand for amusements by the sea will be more in summer than in the winter, and so on. So there are seasonal components to be taken into account. Now, when we look at government influences, these could be through legislation. The government may influence the demand through legislation, or indeed through persuasion, trying to encourage people to consume something or not to consume something. For example, making crash helmets compulsory. So the demand for crash helmets went up because people had to wear one. Sometimes the government tries to persuade us to do certain things. For example, it might try to persuade us not to smoke, those people who do smoke. So the government has got an influence in the market. And that's really all I want to say. Those two factors just run together into this particular class. Quite straightforward. Nothing much more to say about that. So thank you for watching.